Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So we have Sephora unboxing and small business. If you want to see what's in the boxes, stay tuned. Okay, so this one is Sephora Haul. This was like around my birthday, but you know, I'm late. Can't find my scissors, so we'll just do our best. All right, so here we go. Okay, here's my slip. Oop. And let's see, and you always get free shipping and you can pick out 2 items. Sample size, but still free. So let's see, I got the birthday gift set and, well, there's 4 items in here, so. Goop Glow Lotion. This is nice packaging. I like how it looks like a bottle. So that's how it would look. And then this is apply morning and evening to clean dry face and décolletage. It's a hydrator. Oh, that's good. Instant dewy fresh look. Hydrated, soft and smooth. Okay. It says, I think it says Gwyneth. Is that Gwyneth Paltrow? Anybody know? Let me know in the comments, but I think so. You see that signature? Okay, so that's cool. Packaging. Oh, this I ordered for sure. It happens to be one of my favorite toners. This is the Ren Skincare. I absolutely love it. It has that tingle that I like. I know my skin is clean, and it is clean skincare. So this is Daily AHA Tonic, and it does have like that orangey color. 100 mLs, clean to the skin, clean to the planet. Love, love, love this. Highly recommend. It's kind of like Pixie, the glow one. Wow, this is huge. I was in a toning mood, okay? So this is the Ordinary. This is direct acids, glycolic acid 7%. The pH is 3.6. That's wild. And 240 mLs. So this is a big bottle for sure. I just took out the thing. Okay, it also has like that peachy color. Something fell on the bottom here, I think. Oh no, it's a cap. So you can squirt it when you open it up. But I'm interested to try this. Clinical formulations with integrity. So if anybody's tried that, let me know. This was not really my birthday thing, but I did buy it to cash in my birthday rewards from Sephora. Okay, so we got another sample here. This is cute. Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. Oh, this is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. This is the cutest thing ever, and that's the color. We'll do a swatch. What color is it? Believe. And this is the blush. So look at that, look at that, look at that. This is really pretty. So you can see how it would blend in. Very dewy for sure. It's pink more. You see how when you wipe it off, I guess if you would leave it in a certain spot, it would stay that color. But if you wanted it more, you know, delicate, okay. I like that. I've always wanted to try her stuff. And I love samples. You guys know that. And then this Hum Vitamin, this is for the hair. I did like it, so I grabbed another sample. And then this is my birthday reward, which, of course, Tatcha, let's see how it says Sephora Beauty Insider. That's my cash in. So you get rice water, the rice wash. That's a cleanser. It's 15 mLs. Then you get the Dewy Skin Cream, 10 mLs. That's a hydrating moisturizer. And then you get the Liquid Silk Canvas, which is 1 gram. And that's the primer. So let's see. Touch is very expensive. So the primer is just like a little sample packet. And then this is the Rice Wash Cleanser. It's cute. I like that it's purple too. And then this is the skin cream, which I haven't put anything on. It has like this lavender color and scent. And I like it. I don't have anything on my face right now. My skin is clean, I should say that. Oh, wow, this feels nice. Nice and light. And anytime I see it on like IPSY or add-ons, I definitely go for it. And I probably just rubbed all the blush in there too. My face is a little red because I was in the sun yesterday, but so this was a good deal. I'm gonna put that away because I definitely want to use that. So that was my little haul from Sephora. Now to the other haul from a small business, which is Mia Chanel, and her company is called Her Natural. So let's bust this open, and it is hair care. She does have other products on there. So if you are into natural hair care, you will love this. And if you use the code WELCOME15, you get some coin savings. Also, Mia Chanel has her own YouTube channel, and you can find her on IG. So let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Nicely packaged. And this is the Whipped Curl Cream. Came just in time. Mango butter. It's mega moisture and enhances curl definition. And visit hernatural.com. You know, I like to smell everything, but ooh, and look at how fluorescent that color is. Let's do texture. So, ooh, this is like whipped for sure. And it's filled to the rim, has a nice feel and slip. So that's another winner. I'll be using that on my son's hair. So here it says right here, save 15% off, use code WELCOME15. Great gifts, guys. Great gifts. If you know somebody who is really into their hair and just wants some natural products. So that's how this looks. I like the little confetti. So this was a combo that I got. This is the Miracle Cream with Maru butter and aloe. It's a daily moisturizer. So it looks like that. And let's see. Ooh, it's thick, but it smells really good. I didn't drop any of that. I like that it's filled, man. Sometimes you find products and it's not even filled up. Okay, this, ooh, look at that. Rejuvenating black soap shampoo, and it's peppermint scented. Oh yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Remember, it's all natural. I'm gonna use this when I do my next wash, and it tells you all the ingredients on there, like distilled water, aloe vera, coconut oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil. Good stuff, guys. I would check it out. Got 2 more. This was a great find. Hair growth deep treatment. Nice, nice, nice. Also tells you the ingredients on the back, and ooh, I can smell the peppermint in that one. Is there peppermint? I see panthenol oil or panthenol, marshmallow root, avocado oil. I'm smelling something, but it smells good. Whatever it is, it smells good. And then the last one here is leave-in conditioner with mango butter. Nice, nice, nice. It also tells you the ingredients on here. Ooh, that one smells nice. Oh, I'm going to be using all of this, and I might have to upgrade for the big sizes. Anyway, go check out hernatural.com, and Me and Chanel is her channel on YouTube. Let me know what you liked about the haul, all the little goodies. I need to like wear my hair a little curlier in the summer because of all the heat and humidity, and you just sweat it all out. Anyway, and if you haven't seen this video on the Arc Chill blanket, it's already like cooling off. But anyway, go check that out as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.